Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a new dash camera or just curious about the latest tech, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best dash cameras for cars in 2024. Whether you're looking for unbeatable video quality, advanced features, or just a reliable way to keep an eye on the road, we've got you covered. Number 5. 4K Wireless Dash Cam. Meet the 10.26-inch 4K wireless dash cam, a powerful, state-of-the-art dash camera with all the bells and whistles you could ever need. Let's kick things off with the standout feature of this dash cam, the 4K resolution. That's right, folks. We're talking ultra-high-definition video recording with a stunning 3840 by 2160 pixels. This means crystal-clear footage of everything from road signs to license plates. And it's not just the front camera. The rear camera offers 1080p resolution, so you've got your back covered too. The display on this dash cam is a massive 10.26 inches, featuring an IPS touchscreen. That means you get vibrant colors and a 170-degree wide viewing angle, making it easier to see and navigate through the interface. Plus, the whole system is powered by a top-tier 4-core chip, ensuring that everything runs smoothly with quick boot times of just 3 seconds. One of the coolest features is the smart H.265 encoding. This advanced technology offers superior image quality, reduces file sizes, and extends your recording time. Another fantastic aspect is the driving habit selection. Whether you drive on the left or right side of the road, you can customize the settings to suit your driving style. The dashcam also comes with advanced driver assistance systems, which include lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and a front vehicle starting reminder. These features are designed to keep you safe on the road and reduce accidents. This dashcam supports both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can listen to your favorite tunes through Bluetooth audio, AUX output, or the dual-channel FM transmitter. The built-in speaker also lets you enjoy music directly from the dash cam. And with support for voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, controlling your music and navigation is easier than ever. The 5G high-speed Wi-Fi means faster video transmission and smoother live previews. Plus, GPS navigation is integrated through CarPlay and Android Auto. It tracks your vehicle's location, helps with navigation, and even stores video footage in case of an incident. The 3-axis G sensor detects any sudden impacts or movements, saving critical footage in emergency situations. You can adjust the sensitivity to fit your needs, ensuring that important moments are always captured. Number 4. Imagebon 11.3-inch 4K ADAS dash camera. Introducing the Imagebon 11.3-inch 4K ADAS dash camera. This dashcam packs a punch with its advanced features and impressive specs. The Imagebon features an enormous 11.3-inch ultra-wide angle touchscreen. This screen isn't just big, it's ultra-clear, providing a full view of the road with vibrant, smooth images. You can easily see important details like license plates and road signs, thanks to the 4K front camera and the optional 1080p rear camera. One of the standout features is the 180 degrees rotatable 4K front camera. This versatile camera can also function as an in-car camera when needed. The Imagebon dashcam supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making it compatible with a wide range of mobile phones. This allows you to access your phone's functions safely and conveniently while driving. The Imagebon also comes equipped with an Advanced Driver Assistance System, or ADAS. This includes features like front vehicle starting reminders, forward collision warnings, and lane departure alerts. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road, helping you stay aware and drive safely. Customization is key with the H50, and it offers 6 different UI options. You can choose between 3 full-screen themes and 3 split-screen themes to tailor the interface to your liking. The Imagebon has got you covered with upgraded Bluetooth 5.0. You can connect seamlessly to your car's audio system through Bluetooth, FM transmission, or wired AUX. The Dashcam supports voice control through CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. With the companion app, you can view and download videos in real time. This makes it super easy to share exciting moments from your journey on social media or to have evidence for insurance purposes. Another great feature is 24-hour parking monitoring. When your vehicle is parked, the Dashcam will automatically record video if it detects any movement or collision, keeping an eye on your car even when you're not around. The Dashcam also features loop recording, so you never have to worry about running out of storage space. It automatically deletes the oldest files to make room for new recordings. The Imagebon 11.3 4K ADS dash camera. With its large display, advanced safety features, and versatile connectivity options, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience. Number 3. Podofo 1026-inch 4K dash cam. The Podofo 1026-inch 4K dash cam, a sleek and feature-packed device that promises to elevate your driving experience. First off, the Podofo dash cam boasts a stunning 1026-inch high-definition touchscreen. This large screen not only gives you a clear view but also reduces visual obstructions. The rectangular design is both modern and functional, making it a great addition to any car's interior. One of the key features is its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. No more tangled cables. Just turn on your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and the Dashcam will automatically connect to your phone. With CarPlay, you can control music, navigation, and messages using voice commands, which makes driving safer and more convenient. The Podofo also features Bluetooth, allowing you to make phone calls and stream music wirelessly. And if you're an FM radio fan, you'll love the built-in FM transmitter. Installation is a breeze with the included cigarette lighter power supply and rear camera. Plug in the connector, mount the rear camera, and you're ready to go. The built-in front camera records in 4K, while the rear camera ensures you have full visibility of what's behind you. It's perfect for parking and reversing safely. The Dashcam also features voice control, which lets you access Siri or Google Assistant without taking your hands off the wheel. With its full-color HD camera and wide dynamic range, the Podofo Dashcam performs exceptionally well in various lighting conditions. The night vision capability ensures clear recording even in low-light environments. The dual-screen display allows you to view both front and rear camera footage simultaneously. Another great feature is the seamless loop recording. When your memory card gets full, the Dashcam will automatically overwrite the oldest footage. The wide dynamic range technology helps the camera handle high-contrast situations, like bright sunlight or dark shadows, providing balanced and clear images. Number 2. K2 Pro 11.3-inch Dash Cam 4K DVR. The K2 Pro 11.3-inch Dash Cam. This device promises to take your driving experience to the next level with its impressive 4K recording, advanced features, and sleek design. The K2 Pro features a massive 11.3-inch ultra-wide-angle touchscreen. This larger screen not only makes navigation and viewing a breeze, but also adds a touch of luxury to your car's interior. The K2 Pro comes equipped with dual cameras, a 4K 2160 pixel front camera, and a 1080 pixel rear camera. The front camera captures stunningly clear footage, while the rear camera ensures you have a complete view of what's behind you. You can even view both camera feeds simultaneously on the screen, making it easier to monitor your surroundings. The K2 Pro supports both wired and wireless connections, giving you the flexibility to connect your phone without the hassle of cables. With these systems, you can easily access GPS navigation, make phone calls, and listen to music all through the Dashcam's interface. Another fantastic feature is the built-in GPS tracking. When connected to the GPS module, the K2 Pro records your speed, coordinates, and travel track. Sound quality is crucial, and the K2 Pro doesn't disappoint. It features high-fidelity audio output with multiple options for connection. You can use Bluetooth, FM transmission, or wired AUX to connect to your car's audio system. The K2 Pro also supports AirPlay and Android wireless mirroring, allowing you to stream content from your phone directly to the Dashcam's screen. Safety is always a priority, and the K2 Pro has you covered with its full-screen reversing feature. When you put the car in reverse, the system automatically activates the high-definition rear camera, giving you a clear view of what's behind you. With the optional parking cable, the K2 Pro continues to monitor your vehicle even when the engine is off. It will wake up and record if it detects any unusual vibrations, ensuring that your car is protected around the clock. Number 1. K2 10.6-inch 4. K-Dashcam 2024. Introducing the K2 10.26-inch Dashcam, a device packed with cutting-edge features designed to enhance your driving experience. From 4K recording to advanced CarPlay and Android Auto integration, this Dashcam has a lot to offer. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The K2 features a large 10.26-inch touchscreen with a stunning 1600 by 600 resolutions. This screen isn't just big, it's incredibly clear, making navigation and media playback a visual treat. One of the standout features is its dual camera setup. The front camera records in 4K 2160 pixel, capturing every detail with crystal clarity. The rear camera, recording in 1080 pixel, ensures you have a comprehensive view of what's behind you. Both cameras can display their feeds simultaneously on the screen, giving you a full view of your surroundings. The K2 Dashcam supports both CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can easily connect your smartphone to the device. With the K2, you have several display options. You can choose between full-screen CarPlay mode, full-screen camera view, or even split-screen displays like navigation and camera view or navigation and music. Sound quality is crucial, and the K2 doesn't disappoint. It features high-fidelity audio output with multiple connection options, Bluetooth, FM transmission, and wired AUX. The K2 also supports AirPlay and Android wireless mirroring. This means you can mirror your phone's screen to the Dashcam, making it easy to watch videos or play games while you're parked. The K2's GPS module records your speed, coordinates, and travel track. You can view this information in detail through the dedicated player. The K2 offers 24-hour parking monitoring with an optional power cable. When the car is off, the Dashcam remains in standby mode. If it detects any abnormal vibrations, it'll wake up and record, providing an extra layer of security for your vehicle. And that's a wrap on our roundup of the 5 best dash cameras for cars in 2024. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect dash cam to enhance your driving safety and recording needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and automotive tips. Also, let us know in the comments which dash cam you're thinking of getting or if you have any questions about the options we covered. Thanks for watching.